Hi, it's Danny here from Geek Out 77. I am back and I'm here to make this video to help you guys make some games for your chat and how they can bet channel points and then you can reward them with channel points by coin flipping. I've been scratching my head for a while now on I want to do something for my chat. I want them to put in their channel points, and then what I will do is then I will reward them with the double amount of channel points, whatever they put in. They could put 50 in, and then if they win, they get 100. So I was thinking, what game can I do this with? What about coin flipping? Now, the best thing about this is that there is no coding at all. You just need two things: Twitch dashboard and also a web browser of some coin flipping kind of source. That's all you need. Now, I did this not long ago in one of my streams. Make sure you do check out on my Twitch channel. I go live every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Saturday. So make sure you do go over there. Links in the description. And pretty much all you have to do is you have to navigate through a thing called predictions. Start a prediction. We're going to jump straight into my dashboard so you can see it, and then we're going to go through every single bit, how to set this up and then how to implement it into your stream. Okay, we are now in my stream management, just right here now. So if you can see here on the far right hand side, just right over here where it says start prediction. Now if you click on this here, and it says here start a prediction, if you click on here, this will be completely blank. This will be for you. You just put in a name in, say heads or tails, and then you put on here heads, and then you put here tails, and then you can start here where it says submit submission period. So this is kind of like how long you want that to go on for. It could be a minute, it could be 2 minutes. I usually have it on about 30 seconds, and then I just click start prediction. Now what that does now, in the chat here, you will see this pop up here, a prediction just over here. So what people will start to do is people will start to put in like heads or tails. So for example, if you click on here with their channel points, it will tell you right here who's putting in what amount of money. So I'm going to implement this now so you got a bit of an example of my chat doing this. Predictions are up, guys. What do you think it's going to be? All right, someone's put 20 in. 20, is that it? You've only put 20 in. Oh, someone's put quite a lot in there. They're all thinking it's heads. So when you have done all that, then what you need to do is you need to go to a coin kind of website. I'm using here Flipper MU. I leave all the links in the description. It's completely, utterly free, this is. All you do is you flip it. You just flip the coin just like that. And then it will say to me, it's heads. So what you need to do is then you need to go back into your Twitch. You need to go back to choose a predicament outcome. You click on here, you choose what it was, what was it? It was heads. So you go back to it, you click heads, and then they will now have double the amount of channel points. That simple. And there you go, guys. I know it was a very quick tutorial, but I tell you what, I was scratching my head. There is no videos out there. I just wanted to do something for my chat, how to reward them, play games with them all by just literally playing this pretty much gamble game, really, of gambling your channel points with me, really. So yeah, I do hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comments below, have you tried this already? What kind of games do you play? I want to know. Don't forget you can follow us on our social medias on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. All the links are in the descriptions. Thank you so much for watching, and geek out.